You are now tuning into
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Deja. So guys, today we're going to be making tie-dye socks. I have all these colors that I am going to use. Okay, so before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Let's get right into this video. So I have my handy dandy instructions and I'm going to figure out what we need to do. And it says set up a workspace, and we already have cardboard boxes. Oh, my boyfriend's right there. He's going to create one pair of socks. He's off to the side, so it's okay. But we already have the cardboard, and we're going to just sit it down and get to work. So it says pre-wash the fabric.
Okay.
So we have to mix the dye. I end up washing them because the box said wash it. So
Step 3, you grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna.
hey guys, if you plan on using rubber bands during your design, I suggest leaving it on until it's done drying, and I think you'll get better. How this sock was looking before. Now watch how it turned out at the end.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's.
I'm letting the socks sit now. You guys probably can see from that video I'm not very artistic. I just do what I want, you know, a little freestyle. But some of them came out really nice because you know how you supposed to leave the rubber bands on there? Yeah, I took mine off to see how it looked. So there, hold on. So yep, that's what I'm doing. I'm about to let my sisters tie out some shirts now, so I'm gonna go help them. But for now, I'll be back at 8.
And I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, seen it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt.
Messed up. As you can see, I'm putting all the socks that I made inside the dryer together. So this caused the purple dye on one of the socks to get on all the socks, and that is what ruined it. So yeah.
We're never gonna keep it.
They did not come out exactly how I want to because I did not know you could not throw them in the dryer all together. So the purple kind of messed up, especially this one because this was supposed to be a denim effect. So, I mean an ombre effect. So it was blue, dark blue with a light blue up here, but purple kind of messed that up. So it's not that bad. It's not what I wanted. And then this one was really nice, but now it's too much purple. This one was really nice, but it's also too much purple. And this one just got smeared all together. But I'm still gonna wear them. They're not that bad. I like them, but it could have been a lot better. I'm probably gonna do this again in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big like and comment down below what I should have done better, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching.